90% of traders lose money. And I was one of them. In just 7 days, I lost 50,000. Not because the market was bad, but because I made these stupid mistakes. If you're a beginner, watch this till the end. This can literally save your money. When I started trading, I thought it was easy money. Buy low, sell high, simple, right? But reality, the market doesn't care about your emotions. And most beginners don't fail because of their strategy. They fail because of these mistakes. Mistake 1: overtrading. I used to take 10 to 15 trades a day. Every small move looked like an opportunity. But the truth, more trades equals more losses. I wasn't trading, I was gambling. One good trade is enough if you know what you're doing. Mistake 2: no stop loss. This mistake destroyed my account. I thought, the market will come back. But it didn't. My 5,000 rupees loss became 20,000 rupees. Just because I didn't exit. A stop loss is not optional, it's survival. Mistake 3: following tips. Telegram groups, YouTube calls, 100% sure signals. I followed all of them. Result: they made money, I lost mine. If it was that easy, everyone would be rich. Mistake 4: revenge trading. After losing money, I wanted to recover fast. So I increased my lot size. Took risky trades. And lost even more. The market punishes emotions, every single time. Mistake 5: no risk management. I used to put all my money in one trade. One wrong move, and boom, account gone. Risk management is everything. Mistake 6: unrealistic expectations. I thought I'll double my money in a week. But trading is not a lottery. It's a skill that takes time. After losing so much money, I almost quit trading. But then I realized, it wasn't the market's fault. It was mine. So I stopped chasing profits. And started learning discipline. Today, I don't focus on making money. I focus on protecting it. Because in trading, if you don't lose, you automatically win. If you're serious about trading, start avoiding these mistakes from today.